Hey guys, it's me, Steve Rigby. I think I will put the audio on. So yeah, we're gonna be playing Escaping the Prison. So yeah, I've been playing this game like a long time ago, but for now, I just want to show it to you guys since I already started my channel. So yeah, hopefully you'll join. But I will be talking, so yeah, I'm sorry. Let's play. Let's see what will happen.
Oh, you. You're free to go.
I'm free to go? Okay.
Not really.
You've got a package. That's what I mean.
Don't get your hopes up. We've already checked it for anything useful. Have Dave? What? Yeah. Of course I checked it. I mean, if I didn't check it, I'd lose my job. I don't want to lose my job.
Wow, that's
See you
stupid.
around. Free to go.
Wow. Ooh. Okay, let me see what we use. What about that thing? It could really help. Okay, let's try the soda actually. Yeah, the soda. Yeah, are we gonna get caught? Oh. Wow. Got the reflection of a statue. What's that? How dare you? Tap. Is it there? Oh wow. Are we actually going deep there?
Hey, he's escaping.
Let's use, I think it's chair, like this is real. Yay, I knew it. Let's try this way actually.
All in favor of more donuts in the break room. Say aye. Aye. Nay. Shut up, janitor. You don't count. Now the next item.
Oh.
Get him.
Fatty. Wow. Yeah, remember the chair thing? Wars coming soon. Wait, what? I like waiting the 90s or something? Let's go on the right. Oh. He's gonna actually make it out. Oh, there's a box. They try to use jetpack. Is it gonna work? Wow. Wait, what? I feel? Wow. Oh, well, he's back.
You're back.
It's many hours of jetpack training. You're able to operate one. Wow. Oh my god, that's really funny. Let's try a rope, baby. That what kind of rope? A rope? No, rope. That what kind of rope? See? Got it? Oh man, he burned his hand. Wait, did he actually do it? He did? Yay! Oh. Wow, in the middle of this is just like a police car. Really? Really? That's so stupid. Really use a parachute. If it didn't work, I would just be crying. We're gonna use the plungers. That's stupid. Oh, now I get it how he dies. That's really stupid. Really? Oh well, we gotta use the plungers. But even though that will actually take a while though. Man, you gonna go all the way down for that big prison thing. You gonna make it? Oh wow, you did. Oh, sneaky ending. Wow. Let's retry from the start. Let's use... Can we use a teleporter? Teleporter, not teleport. Does it work?
Ready? Fire!
Oh! He teleported to a fire arena thing. I don't know what he's doing. But eventually he actually shot someone. That's really... Oh my god. I use this thing. An NRG thing. Oh yeah, I can wait. What? Oh, that's actually cool. Oh my god, now he was throwing something. Oh, there's other prisoner. Now the cops, those us. Oh wow, he's going through it out. Wait, he's going. Oh wow, that's so mean. He just steals the donuts. Really? We did it. Wait, what? What happened? Oh, oh wow. That was a good. Let's use a cell phone maybe. That could work. Yeah, I'm gonna call my mom. Okay. She's gonna call. Wait, what? 7/9/12:53 p.m. This is courtroom number 4.
Witness, please continue your testimony. Okay.
Oh wow.
I was riding alongside my partner, the armored man. Suddenly, spotted a bag on the side of the road. Got out and eventually decided to throw the bag in with the others. We didn't know there was someone hiding in there. Objection! So, the defendant crawled into that bag in order to break into the bank. Is that correct?
Actually, the guy who's escaping.
Is it really that obvious?
His name's Henry, I'm pretty sure.
Proof that the defendant didn't hide himself in that bag.
He's the defender of Henry.
Well then, what are you waiting for? Present this evidence already.
Looks like it. I think so. Ooh, we gotta show evidence. Can we show the this thing? Yeah, let's present it.
What is this?
Wait, what?
It's evidence.
Evidence.
And how exactly does this prove anything? Well, I was just kidding. This is no time for jokes.
Oh wow.
I see no reason to further prolong this trial.
He doesn't know what he's using.
I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
He's guilty. No, Henry, no. What about the bag maybe? This guy's a bad type butterfly.
Take that! Is that the bag the defendant hid in?
Oh wow.
Yes, but there's one thing that's been bothering me. If the defendant really was hiding in this bag, then how did he tie the knot from the outside of the bag?
Oh, that's actually smart.
If he was inside the bag, it'd be impossible for him to tie that knot on the outside. But then, how did he do it?
Wow,
it's simple.
Smart, not even kidding.
He didn't. What thought you say? I'm saying my client wasn't hiding in that bag at all. He was stuffed in there by this very witness. As you can see by this doctor's analysis, the defendant had taken quite the beating. While he was in the bag, he was unconscious. This is absurd. The witness was attempting to dispose of the body. He left the defendant in the bag, knowing he'd drive by it on the way back to the bank. When the witness and his partner passed the bag, he convinced his partner to throw the bag in with the others. But why would he do that? Why, to dispose of the body, of course. Millions of bags of money in that bank, and the witness knew it would take a long time before the victim was found. But unfortunately for the witness, his victim woke up and tried to escape from his tomb. He was arrested on the spot, and the witness thought everything was over. It's come back to haunt him now.
Oh my gosh.
You guys can't be happening to me!
No! This is reality. Well,
that certainly was an interesting trial. However, I am now ready to deliver my verdict. I find the defendant, Henry Stickmin.
Not guilty. I really like that one. Oh my god, that's actually cool. Oh, he's on the street here. See her? Wait, what? Wow. Legal ending. Wow. Really? He's all the time a bad guy. Really? I actually think this dude ways to escape. Man, that guy is a crazy dude. They use a rocket launcher, maybe. That could work.
What?
Oh no. No. What? Wait. To anybody? I really like how to they make you choose a way to go, but eventually you could fail not. Maybe it's a drill. I wonder how could a kick in my play hold that thing. That's actually weird. Did it work? Yeah, we're not bad. Use that. That could actually work maybe. Today, think so. Just move to the blue side to right and let me see through. No. Oh. You think something that will come out in the bed scene? Oh my god. I think we have to use a crowbar. Oh, to the sewers, I think. Oh, no, that's not a sewer. Oh, he fell down. Oh, it's that motion. Run! Run! Okay, do it. Wait, I'm too slow? Low. Oh, ow. Bro, free friends. Do we have to actually go like directly to the wall? Are we gonna break the wall or something? Oh man, I forgot. Die. Try dodging the bullets, noob. Don't you dare call me noob. No. Let's do it again. Uh-oh. I think the light is coming. There we go. Bring the guys in here. Come on, go together. There we go. There we go. Do we have to? Oh my god, no. Wow, he just dodged me. What do I have to do? Get ready for what? Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Do I have to tap there maybe? Whoa! Sorry for the loud thing. Oh my god. They're not scared? Oh wow, they just let me get out. Is he free? Wow, badass ending. Oh yeah, that's right, just right. Not just kidding. Thanks for watching, guys. If you think this video of escaping to prison. Tell me you got it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy some. Well yeah, this guy's on stick tape. Hopefully you enjoy, and I'll see you maybe next time. Oh, I cheat 30 fails to talk. Yeah, they're awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy, and hopefully you also enjoyed the last Five Nights at Freddy's 3 video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Toodles!